Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve Deccan Herald newspaper Sudoku puzzle on April 23, 2022. Diagonal Sudoku or X Sudoku. 8th row and 9th row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 9th row column C, and in this diagonal 7, so 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Column C, column D we have 9, so 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. 7th grade and 5th grade we have 9, so 9 can't come these cells. 2nd row also we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, the 9 is confirmed here. In this diagonal we have 8, so 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. 8th row we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. In this diagonal 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 5. 7th row column F we have 5, so 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. It will come any of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. 6th row and 7th row and 9th row we have 9, so 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. 5th row and 6th row column I we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, 8th row we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. 9th row, then column J we have 8, so 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Column G we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column H, column I, and 6th row we have 9, so 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. 9th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 6. 8th row, then column J we have 4 and 5, so 4 and 5 can't come in this cell, it will come in any of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then 9th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. It will come any of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. In this class, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 5. 7th row, we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come in the cell. It will come in any of the 2 cells. Then only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Since 4 is here, so 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column I, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 5th row and 6th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in these cells. Column D also we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. 7th row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column J, we have 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in any of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 6th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Third grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column F, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 6th row, then column C, we have pair numbers 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in any of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 4th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. It will come in any of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column F, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. We can confirm 8 also here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. 5th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 6, 4. Column F also we have 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Then only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. In this class, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. We can confirm 6 also here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. It will come in any one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. In this class, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. In this class, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. Column D, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 5. Second row we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Third row also we have 5 and 8, so 5 and 8 can't come this cell, it will come in the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then only 1 number are remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3, it will come in any one of the cells, we will confirm later. Second row and fourth row we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 8 and 3. Second row also we have 8 and 9, so 8 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in one of the 2 cells. Then only 1 number are remaining, 3 is confirmed here. Fourth row we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. 8th row only 1 number are remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Since 8 is here, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column G, only 1 number are remaining, 5 is confirmed here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 9 and 2. Second row and fourth row we have 9, so 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Fourth row we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Since 1 is here, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Second row we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 1 is confirmed here. Fourth row we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.